Hello friends, welcome to this training. This training is going to take us some time and I will want you to pay attention. If you look at this ashoke, though there are some stones on it, but I want you to know that it was actually designed, it was designed like a laser cut design, and for me to I want to show you how you can achieve this laser cut on your own, just using local materials that are available to you. So this machine with me, or should I say instrument with me, is the normal soldering machine that electricians use. All right, so you can actually use this soldering machine to create your laser cut, but you have to be very careful. I'll be showing you different patterns, but then if you want to do a professional work, you will need a laser cut design board. It's sold in the market, but I don't know, most people might not get it around their area. But you see what I'm holding in my hands there? It was I broke this thing out of a wedding card, yes, invitation card, you heard me right. So because of the pattern on it, so I had to like break that part out of the wedding card, because this is just a pattern that can work for any material. You can use it to create your laser cut for any material. So what I just did was to get my ashoke. I plugged my um soldering machine. Please, this soldering machine is very dangerous. I will repeat, I said the soldering machine is very dangerous. Why I'm saying that is that it's very very hot. Don't allow it to touch you. Any part of your hand that this thing touches, it will collect it. You know what I mean by collect it? It will take it along. So please be very careful. Though it looks like I'm not careful there, but I'm very very careful. I have to really place my hands in a very secured position before I go ahead to clean the designs. So all I'm doing is just cleaning the design, go around the pattern with the soldering machine, and it's very hot. Actually, this thing was actually smoking while I was using it. The interesting thing is that as simple as this look, you can use it to create a whole design. You can use it to convert your ordinary material to a lace. You can use it to convert your ordinary material to lace, especially where you have so much hands. Maybe you have a lot of girls. All you need to do is spread the material very wide, give everybody their soldering iron, plug it and let everybody concentrate. Before you know it, you will convert an ordinary satin to lace. You will convert your ashoke to a lace pattern that you can even use to make your buba or whatever you want to make. You can use it to convert your mikado to a lace. You will just do this laser cut all over the mikado. Mikado is strong on its own, so before you know it, you have a wonderful design, especially on the down part of your material. So you don't really need a laser cut machine for you to create these patterns, especially for auto gele, because nowadays auto gele is starting to carry these designs. Some of the auto gele, you see that the edges are designed, you see that in between there are some designs. So we are just going to be looking at how we can do all those things. We are going to do at create at least 3 different styles, and then I would like that you carefully listen to the explanation. I'm sorry, you carefully listen to my explanation, please. So look at what I got out of that design. just like a duck, you know, very beautiful, very clean, properly designed, you know. So that is for that. Then I want to use over here they call this embellishment in my hand now, they call it figure eight. The figure eight has the stone type and then it has the plastic type. The one with me right now is that plastic type. So you can actually use the plastic figure eight to create your designs on the edge of the ashoke. That is, you can use this one, the plastic figure eight. But then let's assume that you do not have your plastic figure eight and still you want to create the zigzag design on the edge of your ashoke. If you are good with drawing, you can just use your tailoring shop to draw, create the design you want around the edges of the ashoke. It can be a triangular design, that is just rolling continuous triangle, which will help to form a M for man. It will help to form M, and then from that M now you just begin to cut out the design according to what you've created or what you drew on the fabric. So you just begin to follow the lines of what you drew and then it will create the design for you. But the reason I'm using the figure eight is that, you know, figure eight is not just smooth, it's not smooth. So it has some kind of rough beautiful um should I say move around it. So by the time you use figure eight, it's going to come out in a different way from when you use your ordinary hand to design. So freehand design for laser cut is also okay, especially if you are very good with drawing. I always repeat that one. If you are very good with drawing, actually you can just use your tailoring shop, create your freehand, draw your patterns, and then pull out the part that you need to pull out using the soldering machine. I tell you, you have endless possibilities using this method I am showing you. I don't want you to get stuck. Maybe you are making auto gele and you see that there is a need to create some kind of laser cut design on it, and you say, oh, I don't have a laser cut machine. No, 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 no. You can just use this soldering iron and it comes out very well. Should I say, okay, some persons might say, okay, what's the disadvantage? The disadvantage is, number one, you need to be very careful with it, that it shouldn't touch you at all. That's number one. And then number two is the fact that is time consuming. You understand, it's not going to be as fast as your laser cut machine is, you know, because this one you need to give it your time. But I bet you that this thing comes out, wow, as in so beautiful. I'm serious. So you can start doing yours today and thank me later. If you watch this video and you actually appreciate what I have brought your way, please just comment there, say thank you. It's okay for me. You understand, don't watch and go away. Oh, just say thank you, you know, a way of appreciation. You know, some people hoard knowledge, but we don't hoard knowledge. I celebrate all creators, you know. Some people say, oh, I can't show people what I am doing. They are right. Of course, you are supposed to get paid for your talent to be shared, but then we are actually doing this so that a lot of is it entrepreneurs can arise, you know. With the nature of life now, everybody have to get creative, you know. And when if it's either you are part of those that are getting innovative, that is bringing up new designs, or you are part of those that are learning and still doing very well. So whichever one you are doing is very okay. All right, so look at the edge. This is the edge now. Even this edge that I have created, I can go ahead and add some holes. That is, cut some holes on it, and it's going to add to the design. You understand? That's why I said you have endless possibilities using this soldering iron as your laser cut machine, and it will come out perfectly. So you can see the edge. You know, the edge is so beautiful when you are creating your fan for your gele and you design the edge like this before going ahead with the fan. You see that you have a very good finishing at the top. So apart from these two methods, I would still like to show you another method that we can also do using this gold embellishment we are seeing on the machine. Don't mind my voice. So the gold embellishment we are seeing on the machine there, so all I need do is place it around the ashoke and just get creative with it. All right, I would like to advise that whenever you are cutting, repeat it, so that once you are done, it will just pull off instead of what I am doing now. Just allow the soldering iron to do its job properly, so that by the time you are pulling it up, ah you have it, it will just follow you. It will just follow as immediately you are removing that circle. It will just follow instantly, so that you don't have it stuck like this and you have to, because whatever you are doing, I want you to be very careful with this. I have told you that one of the disadvantages is the fact that it's very dangerous because it's hot. This one is not hot glue machine that you will touch and it will not do you anything. No, if you touch this machine, it will, your hand that you use to touch it will follow you, will follow it too. So please just be very careful. Don't give it to children at all. If you have little ones learning or training under you, please do not give them this assignment, as this assignment is a very dangerous one. As you see, this soldering machine is what burnt that carton there, the soldering machine. So the moment you are dropping it anywhere, before you know it, it will start to burn that place. That's how hot it gets. So whenever I am done working with it, what I easily do is that I will just pull it out of power and tie it, and then I will hang it somewhere. I don't just drop it because I don't want anybody to go and touch it. I don't want anybody to mistakenly carry it with their hands. So please, you have to be careful with it. So look at the circle we are creating. Do you know you can actually create this circle and you can use it to form the hand of your buba? Let me say you are using ashoke to make a dress, you know, the hand for that dress, you can actually create these designs on it and then use it to make the hand of the dress. Of course, it's going to give it a new look and you will not regret doing it, so long you do it carefully. So that is it for today. Like I said before, I would like to just repeat quickly that this design, the laser cut design, has a board. It has different boards that have different designs. So if you can lay your hands on it, it's easy. But then, since me, I don't have it, but then I do my laser cut the way I'm showing you now. Sometimes I just draw my patterns and then cut it out. All right, so that's just it. You can draw your pattern and cut out, and of course you can also give your work, that is your pattern, to, you know, this is it artists now, will I call them artists, the people creating. I told you that the first pattern I used, I got it from a wedding card. So those people that do make wedding card. They can actually create good pattern for you. You know, some of the patterns they can create it using this plyboard. Is it plyboard they call it? Yes, plyboard. You know, that very light plyboard, they can cut different patterns for you. Maybe you just give them a triangular or a measurement, or a rectangular measurement, I mean, of what you want, maybe like 18 by 6. You understand? 18 by 6. For every 18 inches by 6, they create different patterns. So if you are really working with ashoke, it's not for autogele. Me, for autogele, I'm not going to buy a board, not now. Maybe I will buy later, but for autogele, no. Except if you are buying, if you are going to design pele. You know, pele is that one they put on the shoulder. You know, you can design pele with stones and some laser cut on it. Yes, so if you are going to be designing pele, then you can now get that board. You can buy the laser cut design board, or you can ask an artist to cut for you, and you can actually do this work yourself, and it will come out very well. So how does this look? It looks very, very fine. Okay, so thank you very much for staying with me. I love every one of you, for your continuity, for always being there. Any oyibo I speak one manager mo, for always being there, for always returning to watch my videos, you know, for trusting that I come up with good content that are of value to you. I'm not taking it for granted. I just want to say thank you so much. A lot of you do recommend my channel. A lot of you, I see that you share my videos. I so much appreciate you. Thank you very much. We need each other to grow. Thank you for holding my hands and helping me to climb. I am not joking with this. I'm so grateful. It's you people that are holding my hands and helping me to climb. If when I'm doing all these things I'm doing and nobody is appreciating it, nobody is subscribing, nobody is viewing, maybe by now I would have been discouraged and maybe I would have given up. But then I see a lot of, what actually interests me most is the fact that a lot of people do send me their work to say, please ma, look at my work, oh ma, please judge my work. I'll just laugh. So thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. For now, it's bye from my end. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye. I love you and Jesus loves you more. Bye.